Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ. Kashmiris who were already living in adverse atmosphere due to terror encounters have found themselves in trouble as heavy rains lashed out the valley. The water level in Jhelum is flowing above the critical mark at Sangam in Anantnag district, which caused panic in adjacent areas. Meanwhile, the Irrigation and Flood Department, Jammu and Kashmir, issued a flood alert in Anantnag. All schools in the valley will remain shut as the Met Department has predicted more rainfall over the weekend. NYOOOZ Desk.